Concrete canvas is a flexible, concrete-impregnated fabric that, once hydrated, hardens to form a thin, durable and waterproof concrete layer. It is widely used by Network Rail, Highways England and the Environment Agency for a variety of erosion control applications, such as channel lining, slope protection, bund lining, concrete remediation, culvert lining, and weed suppression. Concrete canvas has a small logistical footprint. A single bulk roll of CC8 provides the equivalent coverage area of two 17-ton ready-mix trucks. This animation explains how to install concrete canvas for slope protection, where the body of the slope is inherently stable. Concrete canvas is available in large bulk rolls, smaller batched rolls, or as bespoke wide rolls of up to 4.4 metres. Bulk rolls offer the quickest installation, but must be deployed using heavy lifting equipment. For sites where this isn't suitable, man-portable batched rolls can be installed without the need for plant. Concrete canvas is available in three thicknesses: CC13, CC8 and CC5, which are 13, 8 and 5 mm respectively. CC5 is the most commonly specified thickness for slope protection. CC8 and CC13 may be specified where the slope is taking on additional water runoff, such as on spillways and outfalls. To perform this task, you will need sufficient concrete canvas to complete your project, safety glasses, mask and gloves, cutting equipment, snap-off knife or disc cutter, metal J-pegs, a lump hammer, an auto-fed screwdriver and stainless steel screws, or adhesive sealant or thermal bonding equipment, and a water supply. For all installations, observe the 4 installation principles: avoid voids, secure the material, prevent ingress, and hydrate fully. This is the procedure for lining a slope with bulk, batched or wide rolls. Prior to installation, remove loose soil, vegetation and protruding rocks, and fill any voids. Remove the packaging and secure the concrete canvas in an anchor trench at the crest of the slope. Unroll down the length of the slope in a controlled descent, ensuring the fibrous top surface faces upwards. Cut to length and tuck the concrete canvas into the anchor trench at the toe of the slope. Ensure there is at least a 100 mm overlap, and if along a watercourse, that the material is lapped in the direction of water flow. Securing the material through each overlap with pegs. Hydrate the material under the overlapped sections of the concrete canvas. Once hydrated, the material remains workable for 1 to 2 hours. The impermeability of the joint can be improved by applying an adhesive sealant prior to screwing. Insert stainless steel screws at 200 mm centres, 30 to 50 mm from the edge of the joint. Once in position and the joints secured, the material should be hydrated from crest to toe to ensure a uniform finish. Avoid trafficking the slope whilst wet to prevent staining. To check proper hydration, the concrete canvas should feel wet to the touch several minutes after hydration. It is not recommended to rely on rainfall to provide hydration. The anchor trenches should be backfilled after hydration. Concrete canvas hardens to 80% strength in 24 hours and is then ready for use. The benefits of concrete canvas-lined slopes are reduced line and lane possession, effective weed suppression, minimal future maintenance, long-term erosion protection. For further information, please visit www.concretecanvas.com.